Okay, hold on. Because I got jeans on. We can't do it. Cassandra, let me do it. Cassandra. Just come do it.
Stay there. Go, go.
Nice.
I think it's done.
It will. Oh my god. That's why the other one didn't work right. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mine's cooler.
Look at it go!
Yeah, mine's cooler.
I don't know how to put it. What about the dynamite?
Oh, I like those nose in the
Grandma! Give me a hug! You're on candy cameras. Grandma bought mosquito repellent.
Oh, you want to get some cans? We have cans. Go
Cans?
there, Chuckleberry, come on.
What are cans?
Cans.
What about them? Are we gonna get cans and throw them and then explode? Yeah. Cool!
Here, let me light one so I can throw it. And I like want to throw it. Hey, look at that one.
Here, catch!
What is it? A fire? Take a can,
Haha, I caught it.
How come they're not just in a pack? Aren't they just in a pack? They're by themselves. Light it, Cassandra.
Oh, they're just little ones by themselves? Yeah, you just light it and throw it.
Light it, light it, light it.
I'm doing that, Laura. Shut up.
Light mine, light mine, light mine, light mine. I didn't know I did that.
Oh my god! Oh.
Jenna, I won't do it near the thing. She's a little
My cousin needs to go put them in like bottles.
Somebody's in there. One.
Oh my god, it came out.
Yeah, no.
Me too. No, you need to like light it, and then as soon as it lights, you need to put it in the can and then throw
I
it.
know, but like, here, where's my
It
fingers?
scares me.
Here, you want to
Oh.
do is just light the whole box up. Put them out there in my room. Okay.
Oh.
Box in the box on fire. Come on.
So the box of...
We're gonna put it all in a box and then be like the box on fire. And then it's go BAM! Like really loud.
Damn.
You can keep them. Where you did those other fireworks.
Oh my god. We're all gonna die.
We need to save some.
That's
Take
it.
our house and throw it in people. Throw 'em in the... That's what people did. They
Throw-
lit like a whole bunch of these threw it in a stop sign.
Throw-
And me and Delaney were outside. I go, they're shooting! It was so funny.
Throw them at people's cars. That would be funny.
I throw them in the pond and the fish freak out.
What? Oh.
Dad, go!
I'm afraid of
You
fish.
gotta light the box on fire, hon. She goes,
Okay, we gotta go put them back in the box. Come on. I know.
I scream like every time.
I'm scared.
Oh, those things are scary. We can be on like Looney Tunes or something.
Look at our stupid tries that we did.
Mine is still has 47 minutes left. Mine still has 47 minutes.
Sit in the box. Get away. Don't get that phone. Try it.
Run! I think I thought of that.
And it's just gonna sit there and look. Look.
That's it.
Hang on. What give me a little thumb?
It's like not doing anything.
I have a
we're just
mosquito
sitting there
bite on the
like,
side.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Where'd it go? That would suck. Like getting blown out. That'd be bad.
Yes, that would be bad. You're so excited.
Jenna! Oh! Oh.
Awkwardness. Which one do we want to keep? This time you like ran away and it didn't do anything.